Hi, I'm Mr. Gonzalez. Welcome to the HVAC. We have a brand new lab this year. This is the freshman area. When your students come here, they're going to learn how to cut and ream copper tubing and pressure test it and build a basic refrigeration system. Behind me, you can see on these boards that this is some electrical controls that the juniors work in. And then when they're done over there, we transition them over here to our live oil lab where the students can actually do a clean out and make some adjustments for the oil burners. So lots going on here. Let's take a look at our sophomore area. So this is one of our two sophomore areas. Here our students build a live refrigeration system. We have different types of refrigerants here. They put gauges on these and they learn how to read the gauges. They learn how to adjust the systems, take air temperature readings, and so forth. So great experience for them here. The other area that they work in is the sophomore area over here. That's the intro area, and they kind of learn the basic principles of copper tubing, cutting, swedging, flaring, and soldering. So let's go take a look at our senior area. So this is our gas heating lab where our seniors work. We have both 80% gas efficiency furnaces and the high efficiency furnaces, which is up over 90%. In this area, interestingly enough, our students work on heat pumps and they create our own climate down here. If the heat pump isn't working, it could be a little cold or it could be a little warm, but we get some real life experience on keeping the customers happy. So I just want to thank you folks for coming by and enjoy your day.